Hi Vogue, I'm Natasha and this is what's in my bag. This is my perfect everyday bag. I wear it every single day, especially when I go into university. What I find really makes a bag a good everyday bag is, first of all, the size. Like, does it fit everything that I need in it comfortably? But also the handles, because I know at one point tote bags were very popular, but they are my worst enemy in winter because all they do is fall off my arm. So I love a good strap that will stay on your arm, and if crossbody is your preferred thing, that definitely is like the best way to not have to think about your bag falling off or anything. You don't even hold it, it's literally strapped onto your body. Anyways, let's get into it. This bag has multiple different pockets and areas where I can put all my stuff in. As you can see, it is quite full right now because I do bring quite a lot of stuff. The first thing is obviously my phone. I bring it everywhere with me. It is something I never leave the house without. And the version of my phone, but in a little bit bigger format, is my trusty computer. Now, obviously, technically, I could do the same things on my phone as I do on my computer, but I prefer a bigger screen, especially when I go into lectures. I obviously want to have a big screen that I can easily take notes on and not get as distracted on as my phone. I have personalized my computer to the max with all of my stickers from lots of different stores that I've visited, different countries that I've visited even. For example, I have this little baby in the middle is a Brandy Melville sticker from when I was in Hong Kong. We have an Oregon Coast Surf Club from when I was in Oregon and Portland last summer. No, 2 summers ago now. So a few memories on there. Also, this computer, I love it so much because I can not only use it as a computer, but I can twist it all the way around, use it as an iPad if that's what I want to do too. So as I said, this bag has lots of different pockets. I think we'll continue on the track of everything that's in the main, like, middle big pocket. And we have a little notebook for my studies. I'm still in university, so sometimes I like to write down things by hand if I don't want to use my computer, or if I'm working on specific assignments, I'll write down specific notes in here so I don't have to have a million different documents on in my Google Docs. A water bottle to stay hydrated. Always have to stay hydrated. Let me actually take a little sip right now. And then we have a little book, the book that I'm currently reading in case I have a little break and I want to take a study break, a mental break, have a little fun read. Especially like this book isn't self-help or anything, it's literally just like a little story to get your mind in another place, called Hannah's Sweet Deli. Super cute. So that was everything for the main pocket. I do have a little zip in there where I have some hygiene products. But now let's get into this front pocket right here. I like to organize my stuff based off of some different categories. So what I just showed you right now was like utility. I have my phone, my computer, stuff that I use for uni, my notebook, the reading book for when I need a little break, like stuff that like serve a specific purpose. And in this first pocket, the only thing that continues with this whole utility purpose, I would say, is my glasses. These are from Marc Jacobs. They look like this, and this is for if I'm in a big lecture class and I'm sitting far away. I need to be able to see because my eyes aren't great at a distance. I literally have, my prescription is like minus 0.75, but even though it doesn't sound like a lot, like, it still makes a big difference. So I definitely get a lot of use out of these, but I'm definitely looking to find a new pair or a new frame. I want to find one that's like a little bit cooler, especially since I only really wear these for like uni or when I'm driving. I don't wear them every day all day. I want to find like a funkier, cooler pair that I could wear. So if you have any recommendations on where to find cool glass frames, let me know. Next topic that we have is definitely beauty. I have not 1, not 2, but 3 different lip balms because I am obsessed with lip balms. If you've watched my videos before, you know I have an obsession with lip balms. So I have 3 of them, and I know that these 2 are like basically running out. So I have my newest this one here, which is pink, and that's the color I've been obsessed with lately. Normally I would say don't have this many lip balms because I've become such, like, I would say the opposite of a hoarder, because I feel like I move every 6 months, and I'm literally saying this and moving out of this apartment in like 1 week. I'm moving again, yeah, but because I've moved so much, and every single time I've moved I've always had to get rid of unnecessary things and give them away, I've started just buying like one of whatever I need. For example, lip balm. Normally I only have one lip balm, and when that starts running out a little bit, that's the only time I'll buy a new one. Whilst before I used to have a lip balm in my bag, lip balm in my car, lip balm in my room. Like there was a lip balm for all the specific places that I would go to every day. So we're growing, we're evolving, we're learning things. So next on for the beauty segment, once again, this one's in the back pocket. Actually, I don't know why it's in there. I've probably done that on accident. We have our trusty lip combo. We have a little lip liner from Sephora. This one is in the shade, I think it's 06. And then we have a little lip oil from Dior. This one is the Color Reviver Cherry Oil. I personally love it so much because it definitely moisturizes your lips. And I'm gonna actually put some on right now. The only thing is, like, some people feel like it doesn't stay on your lips for long, but once again, it's a lip oil and not a lip gloss. So there's that difference. Okay, now we kind of just have some random stuff and some refreshers. So I'm starting with the random stuff. I have a bunch of pens. Where did my other pen go? I have 2 black ink pens and then 2 pink highlighters, because we want our notes to be cute, you guys. We want to have aesthetic notes, so we're more motivated to actually read them, right? I have my little purse. I have purse, keys, obviously. Oh, and then my AirPods, always good to have if I'm walking somewhere. A little tune, a little jam is always appreciated in my ears. Let me know what your favorite song is at the moment. Personally, I have had a song on repeat. I'm not very good at names and artists and stuff, but I can definitely search it up. Give me a sec. Ooh, I can say today, for example, I listened to a song by Georgia Smith, Come Over. I love that song right now. I know it's been out for a while, but I was listening to it today and I was like, oh, I forgot this song was a bop. So that's a vibe. Okay, and then we have a little category that I would like to name refreshers. And okay, right now I have this, which is literally about to be done. That's why I bought a new one. But we have some gum, which is always good, and you never know if you have a little stinky breath. Little gum is always good. And I used to be so much better at this, but because my schedule at uni is so different every week and I'm really not in class very often, I have basically removed this part of my bag, because every time I'm in uni it's like for 2 hours, and that's like twice a week, so I really don't need this much stuff anymore. What I used to have was one of those mini perfume, like travel size perfume boxes, perfume bottles. So if you want to smell a little better, freshen up a little bit, you have that. Also, a mini deodorant is always good. Tissues, good for any reason. You might spill something on yourself, or you might have a runny nose all of a sudden. Always great to have as a little refresher. But what else? Obviously, if you're someone that gets periods, you want to be prepared for that as well. I used to also have hand cream, especially in the winter when the air is very dry. Hand cream is always nice to have. Just like all those things in travel size and mini versions, so they don't take up a lot of space in your bag, obviously, but they're always good to have just in case. Anyways, that was everything I had in my bag. Personally, for an everyday bag, I do wish that this bag was a little bit bigger, or that it was a little bit more flexible, because even though this is not like a hard bag in any way, this middle pocket doesn't open very far when I have, for example, my computer in here. It like restricts access for other things to come in all of a sudden. So I'm definitely on the hunt for a new everyday bag. Once again, if you have any recommendations, leave them down below. I also hope you enjoyed me doing this little Vogue format video. I love watching those videos personally, so I wanted to recreate it a little bit. Hope you liked it. Let me know. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!